Hello and welcome to the information session in regards to Certificate 2 in Plumbing, which is being offered to the VET delivered to secondary students. My name is Rob Gardiner and I'm the manager of the plumbing department, and I'm here to go through a short presentation with you to give you some information about the program we have on offer. So why plumbing? It's an extremely satisfying job. It's a job that you will learn skills and keep and use for the rest of your life. Very similar to riding a bike or riding a skateboard or a scooter. The more you do it, the better you get at it. You'll be working with your hands, you'll be solving complex problems, you'll be moving in various different sites. So from home renovations to construction sites to new housing estates. It's a job that you will not get bored with. It's a job where you will not be tied to an office desk, and you'll be meeting a variety of new people every day, working from a variety of different trades. There are many different classes to work in, which I'll discuss further through the presentation with you. So there are many different career options available to you. And the plumbing technology is evolving day to day. There are always new ways to do things and new ways and tools to be used. Industry and pathway opportunities. So you're inquiring about undertaking a Certificate 2 in Plumbing. The next pathway on from that is to take on an apprenticeship, which will allow you to undertake a Certificate 3 in Plumbing. Once you have completed your Certificate 3 qualification at trade school, you'll be then required to undertake a journeyman's exam, which is run by the VBA. That will allow you to become a registered plumber. You will then be required to undertake a Certificate 4 in Plumbing and Services, which will allow you to become a licensed plumber. A licensed plumber is the only one who can sign off a certificate of compliance once the job has been completed. Employment opportunities. So there are 6 streams that make up the Certificate 3 in Plumbing, which include gas, water, drainage, roofing, sanitary and mechanical. Once you finish your apprenticeship, you can specialise in any of the above streams, which could be a roofing plumber or a mechanical plumber, who will then work on job sites, installing industrial commercial air conditioning units, ductwork. You can become a general plumber, which taps into all of the above streams. Our facilities at Box Hill and Lilydale. So at Box Hill, we have a welding centre of excellence where you will undertake your training to complete your arc welding and your oxyacetylene welding and cutting. We have a Rinnai gas room at our Alga Road campus, which is in use by the apprentices, and that allows the apprentices to complete purging of the gas appliances, install new gas appliances. We have a fully equipped workshop, so we have all the tools you require to undertake your training. We have a storeroom which is fully equipped with all the parts and materials that you need to complete the competencies. We have a sandpit at both locations. The sandpits are used for trench shoring, for levelling, for drainage and for sanitary tasks that the students undertake. We have student services. So the student services are available if you feel you need some help with some of your assessments. You may have a learning difficulty. So we have students there, student services there, who are available to offer you some assistance. We also have 2 campuses. So we have a campus at Box Hill and we have a brand new purpose-built campus at Lilydale, which has only been in operation for close to 12 months. An amazing facility. What is expected of you? Attendance. So if you don't attend, you won't complete the qualification. You've chosen to undertake this qualification, so we expect you to attend. It's simple. Expectations, we expect you to complete all of your work in a timely manner. If you don't complete the tasks that are associated with the units of competency, you'll not complete the qualification. Behaviour, we are in an adult learning environment. We expect you to treat yourself with respect, treat others around you with respect, treat the facilities with respect. We are not at secondary school. As I said, we are in an adult learning environment. You'll be in the same workshop as apprentices. So treat them with respect, the way that you would expect to be treated yourself. PPE, which stands for personal protective equipment. It is mandatory that all students wear safety glasses while working in the workshop. They come to trade school with cotton drill pants and a shirt, and they wear safety shoes, which will include steel capped boots or shoes. A unit of competency. This is what makes up your qualification. Every unit of competency has a component of skills and knowledge, which you'll be assessed against. Once you complete all of those tasks relating to the skills and knowledge, you will then be deemed competent for that unit of competency. Units of competency. The Cert 2 plumbing qualification is made up of 19 units of competency. There is a blend of practically based units and theory-based units. So the theory-based units are applied WHS requirements, policies and procedures in the construction industry, prepare to work safely in the construction industry, produce technical drawings, carry out interactive workplace communication, cut out measurements and calculations, read and interpret plans and specifications, provide emergency basic life support, identify career pathways in the plumbing industry, prepare to work in the plumbing industry, and write simple documents. Our practically based units, where you'll be required to undertake a variety of tasks in the workshop, include apply basic sheet metal practices, perform oxy and acetylene welding and cutting, use basic plumbing hand tools, use basic plumbing power tools, use and apply leveling equipment for plumbing, use basic electric welding equipment and techniques, cut and penetrate building material and structures, fabricate simple plumbing pipe systems, and use plumbing pipes, fixtures and fittings to stimulate plumbing installations. As I said, there is a variety of units of competence that make up the Cert 2. You'll be required to undertake many tasks. So each unit of competency has a set of skills and knowledge. So you'll be required to undertake some theory aspects, and you'll be required to complete a practical task. The practical task may be theory-based, or the practical task may include you being in the workshop, actually learning how to use basic oxyacetylene and cutting, or welding with basic electric welding techniques, which is arc welding. Completion of required tasks associated with a unit of competency. So as you can see, the assessment requirements stipulate what you need to do. So this is for cut and join sheet metal. And as you can see, there are many different shapes you will be required to cut out. And you can see over here where it says the formative learning assessment, the SWMS, which is the safe work method statement, sheet metal have been completed successfully, stop ends have been completed successfully, the toolbox has been completed successfully, downpipe has been done successfully, the external angles on quad gutter has been done successfully, and the summative assessment has been done successfully. So the summative assessment that is online, so we have a learning platform by the name of Moodle. So a lot of our work is online, so you'll have the ability to either do it in class or do some of your online assessments at home at your own pace. Integration with VC and VCAL. So there was an ATAR contribution, so it can be used as a 5th, 6th study. You will receive 10% of your 4th highest study score. Your VCAL contribution, 90 nominal hours of training is required for one VCAL unit. Where do you go for more information? So you can go to our website. If you search for Certificate 2 in Plumbing, it will give you further information about the program. You can email the VetAssess department. You can pick up the phone and call the VetAssess department. You can look on Facebook, or you can look on Instagram. Thank you very much for your time. I look forward to meeting you at the beginning of 2022, and I wish we are here to help you be successful in your life.